Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today, and today's video is super exciting because it is a 3-channel collaboration with myself, Catherine the Paint, and Lisa Wyatt Art. So please go check out their videos as well. We all challenged each other to make some resin coasters, and each one of us picked a color to use, and we could only use those 3 colors and corresponding glitters as well, of course. So our colors were red, turquoise, and gold, and this is what I came up with. So let's jump in and get started. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera. I'm using the Jen Crafts resin, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. So the colors I'm going to be using are this gorgeous blue gold by Lorez. All the pigments I'm using are by Lorez today, and I was only mixing a little bit of pigment up. I only had probably less than an ounce, to be honest, so I only added a tiny bit of my pigment in there, giving it a good mix. The next pigment I'm using is Suncatcher. It's a gorgeous gold, super sparkly pigment, and I'm also going to be using Sassy Red Epoxy Paste by Lorez, and I didn't use much of this at all. All I did was give it a good stir, and what I did was scrape off my stick completely and just use what was on my stick to mix into my clear resin. And I reuse my cups and my stir sticks, so if you're wondering why does it look like she already has resin on those, it's because I just set them on the wax paper, wipe them off, and you're good to use them for your next pour. And the cups, I just let them sit upright, and as long as your resin is 100% mixed, your old colors aren't going to mix in with your new colors. So here are my molds here. They're my favorite molds from Dryer Days Art Studio, and I just filled them up with clear, hit them with my heat gun on low, and I'm just stringing lines of the different pigments across the coasters, and that's pretty much it. You don't want to add a ton of color because you do want some clear to show up. The clear is going to really help kind of accentuate the patterns that we're going to go in and make. So after I'm done adding my lines, what I'm going to do is cover them up, let them dry or kind of just sit for 1 hour, and then we're going to go in and draw some fun designs and patterns. So here we are, it's 1 hour later, and you can see it already moved quite a bit, and that was just me not doing anything, just making those stringy lines, and as the resin kind of self-leveled and moved, everything kind of pulled towards the center, so I thought that even looked cool just as it was, but I wanted to go in with my little silicone tool here and just make some swirly designs, make some fun patterns, and keep in mind when you do that, you will introduce some air bubbles, so just hit it with your heat gun on low really quickly before you cover them back up and let them dry for 24 hours. So here we are 24 hours later, ready to demold them. I thought this one was so pretty. It has a little red heart down there in the bottom right corner, but this is such a fun way to add fun patterns and depth and dimension into your coasters and resin art. Definitely give it a try, and you don't have to let it sit for the complete hour, but if you want your design to be guaranteed to stay in place, I would wait 1 hour before you go in and do your lines. But I did make another set after I had made this set, same technique. That video hasn't been uploaded yet, but it worked pretty good if I just waited about 20 minutes and then did my designs. And you'll see in that video when I upload it, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. This coaster here is my favorite of the two. It has so many gorgeous lines, and it's got a lot of fun depth and dimension. Here it is in some natural light, and that sparkle you're seeing is from the Suncatcher Glitz and Glam pigment. And you can get all these pigments from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link them down below along with my discount code. And I'll link all the materials I use down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. But let me know what you guys think of this set down in the comments, and please go check out Catherine the Paints video and Lisa Wyatt Art's video. I'm excited to see what coaster techniques they did for their coasters, because we left the technique part of this video up to the artist. So I'm excited to see what techniques they did with these colors. I'll be sure to link their videos down below in the description box, and I'll also pin them in the comments section, and I'll leave them at the end card screen of this video. Just click that and it'll take you straight to their channel, and you can go check out their videos and subscribe to their channel if you're not already. But let me know what you guys think of this technique. I think it's so fun, and you can get really creative with it too. I was thinking you could add a backing, so I think, you know, the possibilities are endless with that. I think this set would look really nice with like a turquoise backing, and I wanted to show you what it looked like under a darker background. Kind of different, right? Super fun. Let me know if you prefer these with the darker background or the lighter background. I think I like the lighter background. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And don't forget to go check out Lisa and Catherine's videos. Thanks again, guys. I hope you're all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!